morning, primarily along the eastern slopes of the Sacramento Mountains, where we're seeing southwest gusts up to 60 miles per hour, even dealing with some high winds around the Tularosa Basin. Hatch, TRC, and Silver City also off to a windy start. We're not too bad in Las Cruces at 9 miles per hour. Those are sustained wind speeds at this hour. 16 El Paso at the International Airport, and winds are currently in Ruidoso at 36 miles an hour. Wind gusts have been even higher in Ruidoso at 54 miles per hour. High wind warning is currently in place. But as I mentioned, that's where most of the strong winds are taking place. We're calm, at least in El Paso, Las Cruces for now, but this cold front moving in is going to crank up the winds. It's going to usher in some cooler air, so we're not going to be as warm as we were yesterday, but we'll still run above the average, which technically we should be in the upper 50s around this time. High pressure is going to kick in, so the rest of the week is going to be nice before the next cold front moves in and brings us those changes. So for today, those of you that live east, northeast El Paso, anticipate gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Now, be sure you head off to work this morning, your Christmas decorations are secure, because we could occasionally see gusts peak at 40, again, along the eastern slopes of the area mountains for today. Next cold front's going to move in on Saturday, but this time it's going to be a backdoor cold front. It's going to be a bit stronger, so our temperatures will really cool down for the weekend, and we're still going to be dealing with windy conditions on Saturday. We'll be in the 50s, closer to where we should be around this time of year, and this cold front is actually going to usher in some moisture too. So at this point, we're looking at a slight chance for rain in El Paso and Las Cruces. Your weekend forecast is sponsored by the Mattress Firm. Saturday, Las Cruces, 55 degrees and 56 on Sunday. So if you need to knock out your last-minute Christmas shopping, just take a jacket along with you. We'll be at 67 degrees today for Bliss. As I mentioned, it's still going to be warm, just windy. Socorro, Clint, Fabens in the upper 60s. Montana Vista climbing to 67 with overnight lows dropping down to the 30s. Socorro, 31 Anthony, and 40 Fort Bliss. It's important to note we still haven't had our official first freeze in El Paso yet. Overnight lows are still going to be in the 30s, so I don't think we'll see our first freeze the rest of the week. Even though it's going to be cooler this weekend, we're mainly sunny Monday. We're still going to be warm through Tuesday. Andres?